Whoops.
Seriously.
Alright, well, unless there's anything else, shall we head to the rocket?
Can you TP me there?
Alright, let's go.
It's not that far.
Let's go to the rocket.
Where's
Here,
Walter's
Head,
place?
give me creative back.
Volter's right next, and maybe ask him in chat.
I need creative. Someone took creative off.
Really?
Yeah, I heard we're trying to get it to crash to do my doom.
Okay, there we are. I'm beside the rocket now.
Still
What's the
chickens.
safe distance?
I built
Off
a.
the
I
server.
don't think there is any, seeing as it's probably
I
going to
built it.
destroy the server.
I was gonna say I built a bedrock thing.
Oh, I see. I see what you're talking about.
Yeah. Can someone TP me there so that I can watch the explosion?
I'm at Volters if anybody wants to teleport to me.
Who was that?
Conundrum.
Yeah,
And,
yeah, right.
and Malice.
Yeah.
I was like, I've gotten to the point where I almost know where everything is.
Whose big statue is this? Phallic-like object.
This is
I
gonna
need
be...
creative.
Ah, there we are. Ah, yes, I see.
Someone get me. I can't see anything from here. I'm stuck in a valley.
Okay, what do we have here? Public toilets.
He's got his rainbow beams out the top, and it says Volter's lair.
I know where Voltos is. I can't get there in survival mode.
Oh, okay, never mind. I found the place.
I can't get this
hello.
valley.
I'm punctual as usual.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what else we got here.
Somewhere inside Volter's castle, there's a bunny room.
There's a bunny room.
I like bunny rabbits.
It's taking me so long to climb up there. Your head.
Oh yeah.
I found the bunnies.
Ooh, is that thing supposed to be a Tesla coil? That pillar out there.
I'm in the bunny room.
You are
And
invisible.
there's a... Strangely enough, there's a strange metal pole right here in the middle of one of these cages.
That's for the bunnies to pole dance on.
He mentioned that he had
Yeah,
dancer
I
cages.
was gonna try to avoid saying that, but yeah.
Any of the admins care to give me creative facts and the killing me's failed?
Can you help?
So, should we prepare at the rockets already?
Let's go to the rocket. Let's prepare for this epic send-off for the gaming marathon so far.
Yeah, let's
Go
have a
for
look.
quick toilet break and then we're ready for the rocket.
Alright.
Oh, and it started snowing.
And it's raining again.
That could be solved. Yep.
I'm just glad
So
that
do we
my
have like a
building
seating
is
area
far
or
from
something?
here. Have we haven't observed tour for this fire event?
I was gonna watch from the water curtain.
A water curtain would do.
Oh, I see. Okay, fine, there we are. Right then.
I'm just waiting. I'm just glad that my building is far from it. Like, I would not be happy because I just basically spent a day building. Oh wow!
I don't want that to happen.
Oh wow!
What in the world?
It's near the banana.
Okay.
The rocket's near the banana. You gotta admit, it does look
I
brilliant.
think you gotta make this timer slower, so you're gonna have to do the.
Thank you,
pause
Dutch.
between each of these different, like longer, so that they can actually flash.
TSOSD, the Toy Soldier Orbital Sciences Directorate.
You're good.
You good? Okay.
And on the other side it says...
Oh yeah, you're right.
Because you don't get to switch off. They
It
just
doesn't
kinda
say
stay
anything on the
on.
inside,
you-
or it says
It does say something else.
Yes,
Rocket
I'm.
ship, as if
Rocket
there was-
ship.
as if there was any doubt.
I'm trying to find
Indeed.
something as an example because the server's lagging. But
Well-
over here, I'm here. I'm on this red sand.
Since
Well,
my
I
headquarters
cannot see
inside
it.
isn't really finished,
Well, I'm here in spirit. I'm here in spirit.
Finally.
You're gonna have to break the thing to get it to work. But
I know.
you're gonna have to break it to make it. You know.
where are you, Dutch?
There you go.
Sorry, Trigger, I thought I reactivated your thing earlier, but obviously
Nice.
I did not.
I'm just gonna sit here then.
Observation deck.
Yeah, like. I don't know
What
it
you
is,
made?
I
You
think
made
it's
a nice viewing area.
Yeah, I made a bedrock viewing area.
Warning signs and everything.
Oh right, with
yeah,
flashes
we'll
and.
fix that so it works properly. Oh, I fell.
All right, I have to screenshot this as well. I am going into
flashing
my
lights and everything,
headquarters.
So you know it's important.
Oh yes.
Exactly.
No, when flashing lights are involved, you know it's important.
Is everybody safe?
Yeah.
How do
Safe.
you do that?
I'm
I'm
moving away
Darren.
because I'm trying to chase someone who wants to see this. Don't go blow it up yet.
Ta-da!
Or was that Sokoman?
I just teleported him here.
Yeah, it was near him. I was chasing. It's my friend Radius.
Right, so who else needs to turn up?
Pull Radius to you. I know where I'm going to stand.
I've got them on perfect shot.
Everybody ready?
I'm in front of the lever.
We're almost ready.
I'm ready.
Dutch,
I'm ready.
Dutch, are you next to the lever?
Yes.
All right, good. I can't see you, so.
And I am in the observation deck. I don't know who else is.
I am as well, but apparently some of us are invisible.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just can't,
like
I can't see
fuck
anyone.
people.
The observation deck where you have it in.
The flashing lights.
Oh yeah,
Oh no, I'm standing at the other one. With
the other helps. The control room.
I'm in.
Well-
I'm in the bedrock one. And apparently, someone just walked in.
That's me.
And Airhead, are you on the inside there?
I am currently on the inside, but I'm waiting for
I'm
our
walking out
music
again.
to start. Because yes, we still need to sing
Ah, yes, of course.
before we can blow.
Yeah, we have to sing off Airhead.
I've got my Viking hat on, which has pointy things which most resembles dog ears. So I am like approved.
I'm gonna start a quick multi-twitch for mine, for Airhead, and for Dutch.
I don't know, dude. You're gonna have to.
Okay,
check
let's
before
see if
we go
this is
to
gonna
swap.
make or break my computer because explosions.
I'm watching
my
from my
computer
tree
doesn't
top.
like.
I'm just gonna float out in front of the rocket somewhere.
Yeah, I'm on top of the observation deck, the obsidian one. Just kind of want to get a really good shot of this.
Screw it, I'm just going outside.
Okay.
'Cause I want to get a screenshot of this when it blows up.
Oh, hello.
Guys, quick question.
I-
You want to hear us sing with or without the music?
I don't mind.
Doesn't matter to me.
Go for it. Whichever you prefer.
Whichever we prefer. God damn it. Guess we'll do it with music then.
I just made a multi-twitch which will show Airhead, myself, and Dutch.
Excellent. Awesome sauce.
Yep. This is. Okay, we're almost ready. I'll open the song. We'll get the lyrics on the second screen because I need Minecraft running on full screen for this.
It seems your stream is running behind a lot, Dutch.
Yeah, I noticed that as well. It's a shame, but I'm not going to change any settings now.
No, that's true. Shall we make it daytime?
I know it took me ages to get it working
No,
in
nighttime.
the first place.
Keep it at night. It's a better view.
Cool.
It makes it a more dynamic
Taking a screenshot.
explosion shot. Keeping it at a night.
Yeah, I'm going to
nighttime
watch
shot.
outside as well.
The daytime.
Ooh, lag. Ah.
So much lag, but I'm going to watch outside and see.
Are we gonna do a countdown?
I'm gonna watch outside to see the full thing of the destruction. So.
Well, I just took a
The
screenshot.
Dutch gets the right to pull the lever. Later.
If there's one thing I'm good at, it's blowing things up.
Yes.
Pyrotechnics are my favorite.
Pull the lever, Dutch. Pull the wrong lever.
So are we ready, or is it
ready.
Airhead still?
They're arranging a song to go.
Really? Really?
Are we gonna do a countdown before we blow this up?
Can I capture screenshots that goes boom?
I don't know if you guys can still hear us like this.
Yes.
Yeah, we
Yes.
can hear you.
Okay, we'll
Slight
we'll do
echo,
the
but-
song, and whenever you think, okay, that's a good cue, blow up the rocket. Okay.
Okay. Are they singing yet?
I don't hear anything.
I can't hear anything.
Sing louder, Airhead. Can't hear a thing.
There we go.
There we go.
Kingdom of isolation, and it was like on the wind.
I've lost the sound on them again.
Yeah, it's got crack again. Airhead, sing louder!
They don't have it into TeamSpeak. You have to watch it on Twitch, I think. That.
There we go.
Like,
Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I've just seen bits that go missing.
It's still
Oh, I see
there.
straight
I just
TV.
see explosion.
It's still going.
Oh wow.
Oh
dear.
holy shit.
I've seen
Holy wow.
Oh wow.
This is amazing.
Frame rate is 1 per second. 1 per
To
second.
infinity and beyond.
I think TNT might have reached
Oh
Airhead's
my
place.
god.
Yes.
Wow.
This is the best kind of fireworks.
This is so great.
I'm just taking screenshot after screenshot.
I'm screenshotting like mad.
These TNT are at hypervelocity speeds.
I'm like 1 frame every 3 seconds.
Wait, has it stopped? No, it's still there.
Nope.
Nope, it's still going.
And Airhead died it.
Oh no.
One of the pins just near me.
Here we go. Last bit.
It's still there. It's still there. For me.
Yeah, the actual building is still there.
Oh.
Yeah, there's not much left of your launch pad.
No, no, it's really.
Wow.
My goodness. What in the world? How long?
There's still TNT flying about near me.
There's still explosions going
It's
on.
literally blowing up in my face. Oh my god.
I'm glad I put a shield up.
The water curtain works, he says.
Oh!
This is amazing.
I lost connection.
There we
I'm
go.
out.
We did it!
Well, that's a beautiful ending. A beautiful conclusion. Let's see, what's the carnage?
Wait,
What's
wait,
the damage?
wait. Let's see.
I'm
if it
reconnecting.
Did it?
Yeah,
Did it
same
actually-
here, logging back in.
What's the damage?
The ship's here.
What? It's still here.
What?
It's reset back to before it blew up.
Are you serious?
Blow up again.
Yes!
Do it.
Take two!
Do it. Do it.
Guys, can we do that again?
That was amazing.
Something went wrong, and
Something went wrong.
I have to restart Minecraft because it totally crashed out.
It reset to just before it went boom.
That was beautiful.
Wow.
I'm gonna hit.
We can do it again! Ed, make an extra save just to be sure.
I'm here.
No, leave it alone.
Oh, I'm not touching it. Trust me.
The fact is, it took to the very end for it to actually kill the server, not the beginning explosions, the end of them.
let's check the aftermath before I make it back up.
Yeah, it's already back up the server. There's no damage.
I'm flying next to Sukmin. I decided I had to float on over there and slap right upside the head once.
Well, if that means we can do it again, then I'm
Let's
going
do
to
it
pick another place to watch it.
Really?
Yellowstone,
Another angle.
we have a problem.
What is the problem?
Somehow the rocket is still here with everything
Yes.
inside of it.
The server crashed and it
Yes.
reset to 5 minutes ago.
Airhead, get yourself in there. We're going to try it again.
Okay, we're going to try it again, but without the singing this time, because that was shite.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Alright, just say when, ahead.
Hopefully this time it'll handle it.
It won't handle it any differently, probably.
Just don't crash us all at once.
Okay, I'm back.
He is inside.
Awesome. Alright. Just out of curiosity, does anyone remember how to make a firework?
Not really, no.
No.
Oh well, never mind. We'll do it another time.
Yeah.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
There we go.
Oh, there it comes.
There we go.
Oh,
There we go.
Yep, I'm seeing it.
I can't see it from where I am, but I'm going to see the flying blocks more.
I see it like. I was like
Oh my
moving
god,
the
this
TNT
is the
just-
best thing ever. We can just watch it again and again.
I died it.
Because I'm live streaming it.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Airhead, the funniest thing is you didn't die by the explosion, you died by falling.
Oh my god.
That is.
Will it survive the server?
There's a lot of TNT.
Holy hell.
Wow.
I'm watching the flying blocks this time, and there's some getting all the way over to Airhead's place. And my
Oh
place.
my god.
Damn.
I'm trying to get close.
What? There's TNT coming to your place, Trigo?
There's some blocks getting near, but I don't know if they're actually exploding here, or just see the graphics
Oh,
getting to me.
oh, there we go.
My stream can confirm. But every few blocks I go forward,
There we
Then
go.
I'm gone.
You're gone?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I got pretty
Reconnecting.
early. It jumped out pretty quick.
Yep.
I don't think this
It
See, this is a bit like how it went.
It's still going now this time.
Oh no, it's still going.
Oh god.
See his explosions. Oh, it's
I just respawned.
I can see some explosions.
oh
Still.
my god.
Oh, I saw TNT.
I just see explosions now.
Oh, I can't even see blocks. I just see explosions.
TT still flying.
Good heavens.
What
We've
is
destroyed the
Looks
Earth.
like worst is over now.
Oh, there's Conundrum. Okay, at least I see
It's
somebody.
finished.
Oh, is it? Oh wow, the devastation.
Is it dead this time?
Oh crap.
my god.
Devastation.
I have
Hey,
to
girls, where's your
I have to get out of Minecraft and get back
It's
in because
It's barely loading. It's barely loading.
Yeah, mine is.
oh my god, I see it on your
Place.
Holy
Oh,
Oh, there
no.
goes the
No,
observatory.
your Conundrum plate didn't get unscathed.
I'm
The
coming.
biodome got hit
It's a
with
little
few...
bit potholy, just saying. Okay, there's no rocket left.
As long as it
As expected.
Nothing left from what he was.
Yeah, it's
Where the hell am I?
Survived.
Yeah, there's a-
Did Banana
The
survive?
motions
Wait,
are
wait.
everywhere.
Oh my god, they are.
Okay.
Guys.
The observatory has a few holes in it.
Wow.
I can't. It's not loading. It's taking its time. The chunks haven't loaded in yet for me. So.
Yeah, same here. It's taking its time.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm
there
standing
we go.
on the last remaining piece of the rocket.
Whoa, all I see is
The
like
top.
smoke.
The top. Oh, the top survived.
God, there it goes. Okay, I see it
Holy
now.
shit! Look at that!
Holy-
What?
How?
Does this look like a successful launch to you?
I'm losing it. Sorry.
Except for that.
It's not
We can
loading.
fix that. It's fixable.
It's fixable.
It's fixable.
How did the water screen protect you guys?
Uh-oh.
The air screen seemed to have mitigated most of the damage to Conundrum's place. 'Cause
You might want to put something underneath him.
Underneath who?
Underneath the... never mind. And away we go!
Oh.
Airhead, I'm checking your place. It looks like none of the TNT actually exploded near your place.
Ta-da!
Although a bit did land near my house and blew up in a hole.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is so amazing. Oh, Conundrum, your house suffered some damages.
Devastated. Like, wow.
Your little tower had some.
We can determine the latest attempt of the Toy Soldier Orbital Sciences Directorate launching a rocket being a complete and utter
Success.
success.
Success. Well, it's not here anymore. It might as well be in space, right?
Yeah.
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 We broke
You-
4 walls.
I think you should make a backup of
somewhere
both
else.
the. See if you can make a backup of both before the explosion.
Yeah, before and after.
This is just
Oh
mad.
hell! You managed to hit the Tower of the Red Cross on it. Hole in it.
I'm checking the donut.
The donut looks fine when I was there, Airhead.
Yeah, Conundrum's biodome.
Yeah.
Taking a few hits.
No, the banana is perfectly
Guys,
fine.
there's this
It
huge hole
completely
in the
missed
middle of
that,
my
so that's
donut.
good.
What the shit?
Are you serious?
It's supposed to be the airhead.
This part is fine.
Oh yeah, right, it's a donut.
Voltor's place is alright.
I was gonna say
If my
there's
curtain
a
was just
hole.
a little bit
Man,
taller,
even
I'd
the
have been
pig
fine.
survived. Damn it.
Was it?
Even the pig survived.
Yeah, nothing hit your place, Airhead. There's a hole next to my place. It got close to killing me.
There's
So
a
this,
hole in the bottom of the thing with the glass
Like
tower
teleport.
with the glass ball on it, but that's about it.
I'm in what's left of TSOSD
Give you
HQ.
guys permission to fill up the donut with TNT before 8
No.
o'clock and then blow it up.
Where is this? I
Yes.
don't know where it is.
No.
Would be very much appreciated
Airhead.
if I was TP
The
to
only hole's
donut.
just in here. That's where the TNT landed.
I'm still waiting for chunks to load.
Couple of. That's it.
Are you sure this wasn't here before?
I don't think it was here before.
Alright, well, I think I'm going to
Well,
go
unless
ahead
it was-
and end my
unless
stream here
someone
for
made it.
now.
I've done my first survey.
Yes, and this will go up on YouTube later. So, everyone,
Wait.
say Toy Soldiers Unite!
Bye bye.
Right, see. Oh.
How exciting! Woohoo! And everyone who's been watching, I hope you enjoyed this. And this is like the winding down party, I suppose. And who knows? Maybe do some streaming again later. Cheerio!
Bye bye.
And in Gonzo's voice, I say, "That was awesome!"
Perfect.
And that's the end of that.
Just look at the utter devastation.
Where is everyone? I've gotten lost again.
That is just a crate and a half.
That was nice. That was very nice.
That was the best thing I've ever seen done in Minecraft.
I'm actually surprised those servers just survived so well.
Can I request a TP because I'm lost again?
Yeah, the observatory has sustained some damage.
By the way, are those smiley faces on the top of it?
Yes.
Alright, okay. I wasn't sure if it was, or if it was just, random placement. Just completely coincidental.
Just wow, I'm just so... This is the best thing ever.
Oh, and OBS has crashed.
Nice.
Let's see.
Oh, still,
I hope it's
still running for me.
no OBS. Because
Yeah.
Vector deleting destructor. Help function call. Mini dump was saved. Please include this file. Well, no idea what went wrong, but let's see if the recording actually saved. If not, well, balls.
Question: Can you download the videos that Twitch automatically records?
I don't know.
Where am I?
You technically can, but you would have to get an add-on for like Chrome or Firefox.
Ah, fair enough. I can figure it out, I guess.
It's one of those like you can, but you really shouldn't kind of things.
Why shouldn't?
Yeah, copyright.
Copyright. Copyright.
Okay, I have no idea how the server managed to reboot itself with a backup, but it was nice it did.
Yeah.
What, you mean right before the explosion? Before the
Well,
first
during the
explosion? Yeah, the first explosion. The second one it held up.
Okay, I'm
Oh
lost.
well.
I'm so lost right now. I can't find anyone, and I don't know where I am. And the chunks are loading up so slowly. Oh, well, I found Conundrum. Okay, so I found your place at least.
Maybe you could retry rebooting the server?
Well, the good news is that it did save the videos before crashing.
Good.
So I'll edit those and put them on YouTube later on. But for now, I'm going to call it an end. Or at least for myself.
Well, I think that was a successful marathon.
It has been a successful marathon. We've hit our target.
As in the years before.
And we've had a lot of fun. And we beat our target by more than just $1.
Definitely.
Yay!
Well, last year we beat it by 65, I think.
Well, technically,
In the first year we beat,
Joyland,
beat
donate.
it by $1 because I had to add an extra $1 for testing.
And provided Joyland still are going to donate, we should technically have raised 2,290-ish.
50. Oh, 90. Oh, yeah. 70.
More like 2,300. It depends on the exchange rate.
So Sokumin is going to blow up his whole village, he says. He wants an explosion now as well. So he asked me if I'm coming over to help him put TNT everywhere.
Everyone's just like, hey, we just want to blow up our stuff now. We create, then we destroy.
Right. I'll catch you guys later.
Talk to you later, Dutch.
Yep.
See you, Dutch.
Yeah.
User disconnected from your channel.
That was mad. The bloody
Oh
crazy
yeah, but
bastards.
Airhead also wants to blow up his donut, right?
I can't find your donut. Okay, I can't find Airhead's donut. I don't know where this is. People, yeah, I want to see it. I haven't seen
Did
it
you
yet.
check the local coffee shop?
No, I've already ate my donut, but not. I want to see what his freaking glass freaking donut thingy is. I don't know where it is. I'm lost. Okay, I admit it. I'm lost.
Airhead, are you there now?
Don't know where I'm going.
I'm decommissioning the water curtain just now.
Oh,
Red, I teleported you to the donut.
thank you. Ah, there we go.
There we go. Now I can take a screenshot of this.
Nice.
Once it all loads in.
Now, what do you entrance on this thing?
Up in the hell beside it.
Go. Perfect. Alright. I'm heading off, you guys. I will.
Talk to you later.
See ya.
Oh, how long is the TeamSpeak server going to be lasting?
No idea. And it seems Airhead has taken a break.
Okay. When you guys find out.
No, I'm still here, but I had to provide some information to people.
Okay.
Ah, fair enough.
How long is the TeamSpeak server going to be lasting?
I'm going to contact the server now
Mm-hmm.
to see if we can have it for at least until Wednesday.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that would be nice.
honestly, I like this.
But I don't know how they're going to wrap it up. Could be that they close it by tomorrow or by next week.
Right.
But I have to write up a story for them as well, just to let them know how the entire process went from requesting the server to the feedback and everything from last Friday, right up to, until this point.
Nice.
So I'll poke in a message about possible future applications as well.
Oh, nice. Definitely. Alright. Well, have a good.
See you later.
I'm probably gonna head on too.
User disconnected from your channel.
I got stuff to do. I'll see you all later.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
User disconnected from your channel.
That is good. The water
So-
curtain did a good job.
Are we still going to do the after party?
Yes.
What
What
time
after?
and where?
Just at the spawn point of the Minecraft server.
Okay, do you guys want a backup
And
from
about-
after the explosion as well, or only pre-explosion backups?
Pre-explosion would be best. Everything's then.
Yeah, as
Just
long
the-
as you make as
They can blow them up afterwards as all they want in their local system.
Okay, so I won't make any more backups after this, and for the after party we can blow up everything.
yeah.
I want to see my place blow up.
Now everybody wants to see their places blown up.
Good, that will be the after party.
Cool.
Let's say about 8:30 or 9.
Sounds good. 8:30 sounds good to me.
We'll try 8:30. Might be 9, depending on how fast we get our
Fair
food
enough.
ready and everything. I am going on a small break now, and I will chat with you guys in about an hour and a half.
Cool. Talk to you soon. Yes, I'm going to end my stream here as well. We done it! And I will be back streaming when the after party begins. So see you all later.